Hey guys, we received this Advent Calendar 2024 soap making kit for test and try. So this is actually a Christmas countdown calendar and then a soap, do-it-yourself soap thing. As you can see, it's have a soap base and then other molds. You also come with different type of molds in here, so you can make your own soap. So all different types of molds. So this is the soap base. So the kit also have different colors that comes with it and the essence, two essence like rose and vanilla and the gift bags. So if you want to make it and give it to someone or your friend, then you can also do that. So very nice like mesh bag and the whole kit and then different molds for the different shapes and sizes that you can use. So there are four colors and two essence, one stirring rod, and this is the actual like the soap base. So you have to just for a easy do thing, there are different methods to melt this soap base. So you can put in a hot water bath or you can put in a microwave. So but what very small time or seconds, say like 10 seconds, 15 seconds will I think will be better. So the cups are also provided so that you can just put in this soap base and then once you put in the soap base then you can easily melt and use it. So let's make some soaps. So these are the two essence and colors. So say I put in some time for the hot water and then also do some microwave. So basically I will suggest like the fastest way is to do the microwave, and once you do the little microwave you can see that it melt properly. Then you add in some color and you add in some essence, whatever your favorite essence is. Once you add in the essence and things, then you put it in the mold and then you allow it to settle down. It will, take some practice. I will not just stir, but you can do like if you want to just remove some air bubbles. It's up to you how you want to do that. So we can make, of course, a different soap, and when we start doing it, with each soap, we are learning it how to do it in much better way. So this is the good and the fun stuff. So say like this is the other way to melt this soap base, but as I mentioned, I feel that the microwave is the best way to do that. And then you put all these different colors and the styling or the essence, and then you can make your own soaps. So I'm trying to use most of these different type of molds, so I can show to you. Also, you can just do small pieces and then put in a microwave. Again, use a different color and the essence, and then make the soap. So I'm just taking out once this is all settled down. You can see a really nice design. So it's really good. The molds are really good, and you can see that it really make a good design on the top with a vibrant color. And you can just put it in this gift bag, and you can also give to someone with your handmade soaps. And this I'm just trying to take out all these different molds that we use for the soap, and you can see really nice designs. And you can just put it in the bags to store them and give it to someone. Very nice molds and it's a nice soap thing, a really good activity for the kids to do. And then just have this advent calendar as well for your Christmas. You can just take out the days. So it's pretty nice box. So box is also useful and the soap kit is also nice. So overall, my impression is really good for this whole box and the soap thing as well. So hope you and your kids will enjoy this activity of the soap making kit or do-it-yourself kit for the soap making and then have fun. So showing all these different soaps that we made with all the combination of colors and then things with the different molds. Overall, it's really a nice mold thing. As you can see, I like this fish more and they are really nice soapy things with that. So more, I say like the molds and things are really good because they are giving good shapes to the soaps. So very nice. Hope you like this as well.